Good morning, students of first standard 8. Today we will start of next part of the rational number. For exercise first question, follow these types. Express -3 as a rational number with denominator 20 and -14. That means इस तरह का क्वेश्चन पूछी जा सकते हैं एक्सरसाइज में। जैसे कोई एक रेशनल नंबर देगा और डिनोमिनेटर जितना गिवन रहेगा उसके अनुसार से अगले नंबर को आपको फाइंड करनी है। जैसे -3/5 हैज गिवन एंड 20 as a denominator, just like equivalent fraction, which denominator is as equal that given in the question 20. So -3/5 denominator 20, denominator 20, how can we find? Then we can find from 5 20 multiplied by 4. Then 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Then also it is not equal. -3/5 and -3/5 into 4 is not equal. Is it equal when multiplied in both 4 and 4? Clear? So -3 into 4 is equal to -12 by 20. Same -3/5 as denominator -40, then multiply 5 in -8 and also in -3. Then complete here 8 3s are 24. Negative both sides, so positive in it. -5 into -8 is equal to -40. Clear? Express same types the question. We can take it 4/7 as a rational number with numerator here denominator, in next numerator also 16 and -14. So how can we find 16 from the 4? Multiplied by 4. Then 4 multiplied in both numerator and denominator. Also we find 4 into 4 16, 7 into 4 28. Same 7/4 we find -40. Then multiply in -10 in both. Then -40 by -70. Clear? In next, arrange the rational number in ascending or descending order. How can we arrange it? So first time denominator in arrange in positive, all denominator in positive. So 4 by -9 we can write it -4 by 9, making positive denominator. -5 by 12, say 7 by -18 we can write it -7 by 18 in positive form of b. Then -2 by 3, same -2 by 3. How can we find? First time we can make in like fraction this LCM of all denominators, given denominators, just like 9, 12, 18 and 3. We can find LCM in any way. So LCM of 9, 12, 18, 3 is 36. So like fraction makes -4 by 9, denominator 36, multiplied by 4 in 9 or also multiplied by 4 in -4. Then we can find -16 by 36 approx. Next, minus 5 by 12, we can find 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36. So also multiply 3 in minus 5. Then we can find minus 15 by 36. Syntax 2 multiply here, we can find minus 14 by 36. Also minus 2 multiplied by 12, also multiplied by 12, we can find the same, minus 24 36. Here denominator same in all rational number, 36 36 36 36. So largest negative number is a smallest number. Largest negative number is a smallest number. So minus 2 by 3 is less than minus 4 by 9 is less than minus 5 by 12 is less than minus 7 by 18. It is in the form of ascending order. Also, it is in the form of descending order, just like chain. Descending order. Minus 7 by 18 is greater than minus 5 by 12 is greater than minus 4 by 9 is greater than minus 2 by 9. We can find these types ascending order or descending order. Now, next questions for next exercise. Represent the number line in the rational number of the number line. How can we represent? Oh, so sorry. But in this addition of the property, addition of the property of rational number, how we can add the rational number addition of rational number. Addition of rational number. If two rational number, if two rational number A by B and C C by B. Here same denominator. We can add it A by B plus C by B is equal to A plus C by B. Just like take any point, any integer, 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5 is equal to 3 plus 7 by 5 is equal to 10 by 5. If two different rational number, just like different denominator, here same denominator but different denominator, just like A by B and C by D. A by B and C by D. We can take 3 by 5 plus 4 by 7. Now, first of all, we can find LCM of the two denominator given. So, then LCM of 5 and 7, 35. Divide 35 by 5 by 7. So just multiply 7 in 3. Then 7 3s are 21 plus 35 divided by 7. Then we can find 5. Quotient 5 multiplied in 4. Then we can find 20. 4 5s are 20. After that 41 by 35. Similarly, addition also subtract. Subtract the rational number. A by B minus C by D, or 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3. Then 6, LCM of 6 and 3, 6, 5 minus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 1 by 6. Same, multiply A by B into C by D. Also a rational number, just like 3 by 5 into 6 by 7. Now multiply here. 3 6 are 18, 5 7 are 35. Clear? Multiplied also in divide. Divide also. A by B divide C by D. So 6 by 5 divide 7 by 8. We can write 6 by 5 into denominator change here. 8 denominator as a numerator and numerator as a denominator. Same 48 by 35. So we have find here add, subtract, multiply and divide. After that, properties of the addition of rational number. First time, closure property. Now we see here and understand what is closure property. First time, closure property. The sum of two rational number, the sum of two rational numbers. Just like sum of two rational number a by b plus c by d. Taking integers 3 by 6 plus 4 by 9. We can find LCM of 6 and 9. 18. 6 3 is 18, so 3 3 is 9, and 9 2 is 18, so 4 2 is 8. We can write 8 and 7 sum 17 by 18. Closure property. Also, second property, commutative the sum of two rational number, the sum of two rational number in any order. First closure property, the sum of two rational number is also a rational number. Then a by b plus c by d, sum of this just like 3 by 6 plus 4 by 9 is equal to 17 by 18. If 3 by 6 and 4 by 9 is a rational number, then 17 by 18 is also a rational number. In second commutative law, the sum of two rational numbers in any order. The sum of two rational numbers in any order, just like a by b plus c by d is equal to c by d plus a by b. We can take any integer for it. 6 by 4 plus 5 by 8 also equal to 5 by 8 plus 6 by 4. We can find here and also sum here. 4 and 8 LCM 4 and 8. So 4 2 is 8, 6 2 is 12 plus 8 1 is 8, 5 1 is 5 is equal to same 5 plus 12 by 8 equal to 17 by 8 is equal to 17 by 8. Clear? It is the applicable sum of two rational number in any order. We can see it. You can take another point. Also, adding the three rational number in associative law. Associative law. 3 rational numbers adding in group, just like a by b plus c by d plus e by f. Also a group a by b plus c by d and the same types a by b plus c by d plus e by f in group here group to first and here group to last. Just like take any integer, just like 6 by 4 plus 5 by 8 plus 7 by 16. Also 6 by 4 plus 5 by 8 plus 7 by 16. LCM of 4 and 8, 8. 4 2s are 8.